What's the meaning of brainpower? Brainpower. Brainpower.
Brainpower. Brainpower. Brainpower refers to the intellectual ability or capacity of an individual to process and analyze information. It is the mental capacity and capability to think, reason, learn and comprehend complex concepts and ideas. A person with greater brainpower possesses a higher aptitude for problem solving, critical thinking, decision-making, and creativity. In general, the term brainpower is a measure of a person's mental strength and potential, and it is often associated with intelligence, knowledge, and expertise. Having strong brainpower is essential in many fields and industries, as it enables individuals to excel, innovate, and achieve great success in their personal and professional lives.